This is Dr. David Shine, and welcome to Business Law 101. Most of us are familiar with the term easement. I'm here in the Houston Heights. I have a big easement across the front of my property for sidewalks and for the water main. Across the back of my property, I have a sewer line, gas line, cable lines, and electrical lines and phone lines. So I've got a lot of activity along the back line of the house, and all of those have easements, have a right to control the real estate near where those wires or pipes run. A license we actually talked about earlier when we talked about bailments. So a license is just a right to use a parking place. It's not a lease. It doesn't give you any continuing rights in the parking place. You've just got a use of a particular little space. So that's why they use the term, it does not create a bailment, but what it does do is it gives you a license to use that parking space. Easements are not optional on urban properties. They come with the property. They prevent you from doing things on those parts of the property. You must be careful not to damage the pipes that may be running under the ground. In some cases, there are things above ground, like transformers or meters or check-in stations. You cannot block access to those. And then, of course, here in the Heights where I am, we have above ground cables, and we have above ground power. And of course, they have an easement above my property. And so they're able to do that. And so something to keep in mind.